Guardians of Tomorrow by Athar Ratnakar Salgaonkar.
Sunny boy.
Rocco Tobacco by Gautam Anand Shirsat. The Protector by Satish R. Gaonkar.
Okay.
Such by Shyam S. Prabhu. मेरा नाम सुरेश by Vrushali Amey Simay Purushkar. Dhuvar Singh by Sonia Chari. Is My Sum Correct by Gangaram R. Narvekar.
Sonia Chari. Sham Prabhu.
Bhuti by Arya Ranjan Mayekar. Shanpana by Ashirvad Moving Images. Wings of Regret by Sushegat Films, Sanjay Prabhu Gaonkar.
गरम
प्रतीक नीलेश नेवगी.
ये मेरी दुनिया by Pratik Kharate. Beats by Nilesh Chandrakant Nevgi.
प्रतीक नीलेश नेवगी.
Sophia.
To announce the winners in the national category, I would like to invite Dr. Shekhar Salkar.
The third prize goes to बच्चों का बचाओ by Brijesh Kakurkar. Second prize Pirigi by Omkar Kalidas Naik.
Two of you all come here. Doctor, you also come. Come. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
We have present among us Dr. Mohan Rao Desai. May I also request you, sir, to kindly come up on stage.
And the first prize goes to Janhit Mein Jari by Amit Fadte.
Second.
Second round.
Thank you. Thank you.
May I kindly request Dr. Amita Kenkre Kamat to announce the winners of the Goa State category.
The Goa State category first prize goes to Bhuti by Arya Mahekar. The team, please come onto the stage. Bhuti by Arya Ranjan Mahekar and his team.
बस आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Second prize, Shanpana by Ashirwad Moving Images. We see his reels very often on Facebook. Today we see the wife who's never seen otherwise. Okay.
Okay, come closer. Pull down, huh?
Third prize, Wings of Regret by Sushagat Films. Sanjay Prabhugaonkar.
Yes.
Hearty congratulations to all the winners and to all the participants for their sheer interest in bringing about ripples of change in their own special way. As announced earlier, the national prize winners will be awarded a sum of Rs 1 lakh for the first prize, 50,000 second prize and 30,000 third prize. And in the Goa State category, the first prize winner will be awarded an amount of Rs 50,000, 30,000 for the second prize winner and 20,000 for the third prize winner. As a